Hi guys!
Hi!
This is Bonnie.
That's Carissa.
And we
are basically Kooky. Wow, this week is going to be ridiculous.
So many comebacks! Well, this video we're watching, it's not really a comeback. It's more of like a...
It's about time.
It's about time reaction. Because we're reacting to EXO's Wolf, the drama version.
Finally.
Alright, here we go, because I can't wait any longer. We've waited long enough already.
It's Chris. Ellen! It's our baby.
Wait.
It's our baby. Oh wait.
It's Black Pearl. This song.
Is your baby leaving? God, I wish we had uniforms like that.
I don't think that was him.
Or it could have been him on a wire.
Yeah. Wow. I don't think it was him.
I don't care. I'm gonna pretend like it's him, okay? Okay, thanks, guys. No, that's him.
That was him. He looks so good as a blonde.
Oh my.
What's up with all this parkour stuff?
This is like 2 p.m. stuff. I wish we had uniforms like that.
He's rescuing her.
Oh no, not really.
Oh, Tao. Ooh, new kid.
안녕하세요.
He looks so good. Baby. Oh no, don't go.
Oh, it's soccer. Oh my god, it's soccer.
Where's my baby?
He left, remember?
I want my baby back. I want my baby back.
Chili. Baby back with.
Oh, she's gonna meet something. She's gonna meet Chris, watch.
Is that Chris?
No,
is it Chris?
No.
No? Oh, here we go. Here we go.
저기 와.
Ooh, you throw your backpack!
Stop hitting the thing! Wow! I like him better as a blonde.
Yeah.
없어져. Hey, 정신 차려. He's gonna turn into a wolf now.
Oh, he's seeing red.
He's chunky. Oh, he attacked the wrong person.
Yeah, that's Theo right there. Can you see her?
Is it over? What?
누구야? 또 뭐야?
To be continued. What the heck? To be continued? Are you kidding me right now? Really? Are you kidding me right now? You're going to make us wait some more?
Good job, SM, though, because this
that was amazing.
This makes fans long for EXO.
Well, yeah, because if they're not coming back for another year,
Cause if they, I'm guessing like if they didn't do it this way, I don't think they would have won.
Number one. That's true.
You know, because exotics are so crazily like, oh my god.
사랑하자.
Yeah, but I like it. I wish they kind of interacted. I don't know. I feel like it's lacking a little bit.
Maybe just because it's like a to be continued, they stopped it at a really awkward place.
And there was not enough of my baby.
And there was not enough of Chris. I love Chris. He's my number 2.5. He's tied with Lay.
Why would you put him in the beginning and just the beginning? Why?
Because he has to touch my baby's shoulder. Because we're forever together.
His back's.
We could tell like from the very first thing.
I
We're like, oh, there's Chris.
I knew it was Chris when I paused it. I was like, oh,
There's Chris. Luhan.
ludicrous, ludicrous.
Good job. Oh my goodness.
He looks really
Charamba.
good. I really do think he's
Sita.
gonna be the new.
Hi.
I think he's gonna be the new like face of
He is the
MVs.
face.
No,
Oh.
MVs. You know how there's
Him and Kai.
Yuna.
Oh yeah.
I guess he looks really good. I mean, Kai does too, but
Yeah.
there's just something about.
But you're biased because we don't really like.
No, because like if you were to really look at EXO,
Ah.
like in this MV, I feel as though I know it's
They picked a good choice with Luhan.
yeah, because I don't.
And oh my god, all those tricks.
They needed somebody who's soft enough.
Yeah, and Kai's not.
No, because he's very fierce.
Ha, like
Yeah,
yeah.
because he wouldn't look innocent like
He couldn't do the
did.
Luhan like
The deer look. My tips look really light. I said my tips.
her hair.
Doesn't
the
it look
tips
lighter?
of her hair. I don't know. My tips of my hair look darker. Look it looks like red here and light brown here.
Cause you. Okay, so look at that.
Yeah, that's true. Well, I mean, you had the red, remember? It's turning into brown. Stop it.
This MV.
So far.
I'm so annoyed at the fact that it took them this long.
Seriously, and then now it's to be continued. But you know what? It's okay. I love them. My feels are back. Ever since I saw them on Happy Camp.
Go watch that.
Yeah, you should do that.
And then
And Weekly Idol.
Weekly Idol. Sayo we have something in common. Me and Lay. You should watch this MV. If you love EXO, you would love this MV.
Yes.
Annoyed at the fact that it's cheap.
Yes. What was I gonna say? Rant with us. You know, like complain with us. Leave your comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, request. And when the To Be Continued comes out, trust, we will be watching it. We'll be continuing with it. With it. Bless you. It went away.
It's on this nose.
Your pimple?
No. The sneeze is coming from this nose.
Oh.
It's just tickling this nose.
That nostril. The left one.
You should watch this MV.
Yes.
Alright?
After you've watched our reaction. Or watch
Or
it
at
along
the
with
same
us.
time.
Hey, look at that. Because we can do that now. So we can do that now.
Look, we made a heart. This is Bonnie.
That's Carissa.
And for the sake of this wolf drama version, to be continued,
You should stay.
Basically Kooky.
Bye, guys. For real, they're not in your hair.
My tips look really light.
Wow, I thought you said something else right now. Okay.
一变态.
Oh, asara kayo.
Okay.
Mega orf, ita orf.